I'm going to be showing you how to make latte ice cream drink. So you need latte, any latte you want. You're going to pour the latte in your cup. You're going to pour some hot water in your cup. My camera went a bit steamy there. So you need ice cream. You can use any ice cream flavor you would. You're going to scoop 1 spoon of ice cream. You're going to put your ice cream in your cup. Then you're going to add your milk in your cup. And just mix it and mix it. So you're going to add some sugar. Here I'm using soft sugar. You're going to put it into your cup. Then you're going to stir it again. I'm going to add some caramel sauce, but you can add any flavoured sauce you want. Now you're just going to mix it and stir it. This recipe was so easy to make and you should try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.